Hi guys, good morning. Today's the 28th of May 2024. It's a bit cloudy here in Perth, Australia today. This morning it was raining a lot, so not much sun going around, but hopefully it's going to be sunny today. So we'll get started with the orders. I'll turn off Uber Eats and DoorDash. So yeah, for those who are watching, like, comment and subscribe, and see you at the next order. Okay guys, so we just got our first order today. It's a McDonald's order for $5, traveling for I think 1.4 kilometers. It's okay, it's a bit low, but it's the start of the day, so hopefully it will get better. All right, see ya. Hello, good morning. It's Tristan, FC49D. Awesome, thank you very much. Alright, here we go. So that was a quick pickup. Alright, so we just collected that order from McDonald's, and yeah, it's a 5 kilometers, I'm sorry, not 5 kilometers, $5 for 1.4 kilometers. So it's a good start of the day. It's a bit low, but it's a good start. So it's very cloudy here currently where I am, just outside of Perth, Australia. And it was raining a lot last night, and also it was raining a lot this morning. So hopefully it won't rain much this today during my dash. Alright, okay, see you at the drop-off. Okay, so we're just dropping off this McDonald's order for Tristan. Almost got run over there, sorry. Alright, here we go. So, oh, forgot my phone. Just a second, let me get my phone. Okay, so we just dropped off that McDonald's order, and now we just got another order straight away, another one from McDonald's. This time I think it's $6 something for 3.5 kilometers. Straight away accepted it. Forgot to screenshot, but never mind. I'll try to remember to screenshot every time there's an order, because I have to put that in the YouTube video as well. But yeah, oh my god, it's very cloudy today. Okay, so here we are again at McDonald's, picking up a second order. So hopefully it's gonna stay like busy like this the whole morning. 2 sausage McMuffins. It's for 1 BD, 21 BD. Awesome, thank you very much. Alright, so we just picked up the second McDonald's order. So we're going to travel 2.8 kilometers to the customer. This is a very good start of the day. Bit rain. Okay guys, so just picked up the second McDonald's order, dropping off to the customer, which is 2.2 kilometers away. And now it started drizzling. It started to rain now, so oh well. I did bring an umbrella. That's a small umbrella, but hopefully I won't need to use it. Okay, so just dropping off the order for Stephanie from McDonald's. So yeah, this is number 60. Leave at door. So take a picture. I really hate it when there's dogs. Okay, let's get back in the car before we get bitten by a dog. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we just finished off dropping off that second McDonald's order, and now we're gonna just try to go back to the area. So my area, it has got the Coles supermarket. It's got McDonald's. It's got Subway. It's got the Chemist Warehouse. So it's a good area to start off, and it's you know, it's near the house. And after that, if Uber Eats or DoorDash carry me elsewhere, then I'll go there, but hopefully not too far. So yeah, so hopefully everyone's doing all right today. It's a bit gloomy, and I'm here outside dashing. Okay, see ya the next order. Oh man, it's really pouring rain now. Hopefully I'll last until after lunchtime before I pick up my daughter. But now we have a new order from DoorDash, and as far as I remember, it was about $16 for 7 kilometers. I think it's a shopping order, red card required for 2 customers. So hopefully it's not gonna be much, but knowing DoorDash is probably more than what I expect. So yeah, so join me in the shopping. Okay, let's start the shopping for 2 customers. DoorDash. My first time shopping for 2 customers at the same time. It's going to be very interesting. So Nutrigrain, protein fiber multigrain. Yeah, that's it. Scanning item. This is not patient, sorry. This is customer A. Okay. Customer B is almond milk. What aisle? What aisle? Aisle 2. Okay, so just looking for frozen blueberries. Is that no added sugar? What is it? Yeah, it says no added sugar. This one. Scan item. That's for B. Oh man. Right, okay. Vanilla bean yogurt. I think I remember seeing the yogurts here. Yeah. So vanilla bean yogurt. Alright, so we just got those orders from Coles. With shop and deliver for 2 customers. Luckily it was just 1 bag each, so it didn't take me that long. So just some usual grocery stuff, some frozen blueberries, ice cream and meat. So yeah, it's all good. And now we're delivering to Craig. Okay. Yeah, so again, it's still a bit rainy here, and so where are we now? Harrisdale, near Southern River.
In 300 meters at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Burley Road.
Just taking it easy, and hopefully we can get. Let's target $100 before 3 p.m. That's a good number. Okay, so we're just dropping off order A for DoorDash, shop and deliver. So leave at door. So gotta leave it at door. Oh, it's still raining. Okay, so careful, it's gonna be a bit slippery. Here, let's take a photo. We go to the next customer. Oh. Let's confirm. And alright, so we are just dropping off delivery B, or delivery number 2 from Coles. House number 13. Is this number? Yeah, this is number 13. Leave at door. So I'm just gonna take a photo. My god, this house is massive. Okay. Now that's done. Confirm. Oh, I need to turn off Uber Eats. Alright. Okay, so we just dropped off the second Coles order from DoorDash. We're just going back to our base of operation. Hopefully we can get another order as quick as possible. Hopefully via Uber Eats. I like Uber Eats more. They tend to pay a bit more, in comparison to the kilometers you're traveling, and they pay you more while you wait for your order. So like, for example, if you arrive at a restaurant and the order is not yet ready, and then you click there, the order is not yet ready on the Uber Eats app, and they will add more payment to your delivery fee. I don't know where that's coming from. It might be a penalty fee from the restaurant. I'm not sure, but yeah, hopefully we'll get another order soon. So currently 10:12 in the morning. So yeah, it's still raining quite hard. Hopefully it stops raining soon. Alright, see you in the next order. Right, so we just got an order from Uber Eats. It's a shop and deliver order for $8, traveling I think 3.5 kilometers or something. So we just took it. We're just on the way to, we're just parking now here where the Coles supermarket is. Just gonna have to be careful while driving because the road is wet. Here we go. Okay, so we're just started shopping for this Coles order. Just 2 items. So aisle 12 is dog food. Let's go to aisle 12. Here we are, aisle 12, dog food. Morning.
Morning.
So we are doing Nature's Gift rice and vegetables, chicken wet dog food. Loaf, chicken. So we found the item, scanning. Oh, it's the wrong one. This is chicken casserole. Oh man. Yes. Rice and chicken. Okay. Chicken, vegetables, and rice. I think that's it. Scan again. That's it. The next one is Coles adult dry food, dog food with beef. Coles adult with beef. Man, I don't have a dog. I don't know these things. Let me see where I can get that. Alright, so we just finished doing the shopping at Coles. It's 2 big bags of dog food and 1 can of dog food. Now I'm just delivering to the customer, which is 2.2 kilometers away. Oh man, the rain is getting worse. I don't know, I feel like going home now. We'll see how long I'll last here outside. It's just, I don't like it when it's just too much rain. Right, okay. We'll see you again at the drop off. Hopefully it's gonna stop raining soon. Alright, let's see if I can carry these too. Oh no, my shorts are wet. And the can. Oh man, my shorts are wet. Okay. Oh my goodness. Stick it before. Off we go. Oh man, I hate this rain. Right, so we just dropped off that Coles shop and deliver order for dog food, and now we're just going back to that shopping center. So we got another order from Uber Eats. I can't remember the details of the order, but I'll let you know soon. But it's from Globe Coffee House. Oh man, I am really wet from the rain now. Rain's not stopping. Man, I was so looking forward to do a full shift today, doing food, Uber Eats and DoorDash deliveries. But the weather is not cooperating. Just pouring rain at the moment. Okay, well, see you at Globe Coffee House. Alright, so we're just collecting the order from Globe Coffee House. Hi, order for Natalie, please.
It takes 2 minutes.
Okay.
Do you have bags?
Oh, it's in the car.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, both Natalie. All done, yeah, thank you. Put that here. And this one here. Okay, there we go. Sorry, mind your back. Sorry. Thank you. Okay, so we just got that order from Globe Coffee House, and now we're traveling to the customer's address, 3 kilometers away. Got 2 bags from the Globe Coffee House, and 1 bag is 2 orders of the, what was it again, the chicken risotto. And oh my god, it's making me feel very hungry right now. That chicken risotto smells very good. Gonna have to tell my wife that we're gonna go back there and try to order that. Okay, so we're going to the left. All right, so I'll see you at the drop-off. And by the way, it's still raining. Non-stop rain. I forgot to start the video, but anyway, I just dropped off the order to the customer, and he's wearing a cowboy hat and like really skimpy shorts. Man, he's proper Australian. But yeah, he's a really good guy, and it's raining a lot, so he said, I'm gonna give you some 5 stars and a tip. So I was like, cool, sweet, that's awesome. Well, hopefully it's a big tip. But anyway, we're gonna go back to our base of operation. Oh, horse is cool. Alright, so we just dropped off that Globe Coffee House order. It was a very well hidden house here near the construction site where they're making, I think, a new subdivision again. And this guy just came out with like really, short shorts and Australian cowboy hat. It was a pretty good guy, and he said he was gonna give me 5 stars and a tip. Wow, that's pretty cool. That's my first time having someone tell me during a delivery like, hey, you're doing a good job, it's raining, I'll give you a tip. So we'll see what he gives me later on. I'll let you know. Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Hello. All right. Picking up for Thomas, please. Thank you very much. I'll be the Coke. Yeah. Thank you. This is Georgia, verify order verified, and then an additional order for Megan. So I got the Georgia, and now there's additional Megan.
It only takes around 5 minutes.
Okay, all right. Long dress. Big dress. Megan? Yep. Thank you very much. So finally got all 3 orders. So initially there was an order for Globe Coffee House and Kebab Lads, and then while waiting inside the Globe Coffee House, the first order took very long. They added a second order for Globe Coffee House, so that's a total of 3 orders now for 3 orders for Uber Eats. So I collected the Kebab Lads order first, went back to Globe Coffee House, and still waited for that first order. And then after getting that order, I again waited for like I think 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes for the third order, which is the second Globe Coffee House order. So yeah, pretty long time. But the good thing about Uber Eats is that they add like penalty fee when I wait a long time in the restaurant. So we'll see what the total is after I deliver all 3 orders. So first stop is Georgia. So I am currently 2.7 kilometers away from her house. So see you at the drop off. Alright, just dropping off Georgia's order. They put meat at the door, but they wanted to leave it outside. This is not good. I'm gonna take a picture. Please leave at garage door. Do not knock. Okay. There you go, Georgia. Take care. Hi mate, Thomas. Sorry about the wait.
That's alright.
Just take quick pictures, that's all right. Okay, awesome, thank you. Alright, just dropping off these coffee orders for Megan. Right, so we just finished delivering all those 3 orders. So 2 Globe coffee orders and 1 Kebab Lad orders, and the total was $24. Not bad, $24 for 3 orders. It took a while. I would have hoped that there was a lot more given in the penalty fee, but $24 is $24. I'm not gonna complain much. So it's 12 o'clock now, and I'm just contemplating if I'm gonna go home now. I'm really hungry, but the rain has stopped. I'll try to drive towards home, and then if I get an order that's decent enough, I'll take it and maybe go home 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll see. All right, see ya. Alright, so we got a new order, shop and deliver for Uber Eats, and I think it was about $11 for 4 kilometers. And then after that we'll go home because I'm hungry. I am hungry. Alright, see you there. Alright, doing an order now for $11 for shop and deliver. Flat red white, flat red white, getting Pillsbury Colby cheese. Here we are. Okay, so we just finished doing our shopping at Kohl's. So it's for $11 order, 4 kilometers. So I'm just driving to the customer now, which is 2.8 kilometers away. It took me a while to finish that shopping actually, because I was so lost trying to find that cheddar block. I was kept looking at the refrigerator section of where the cheeses are. I'm like, where is this cheddar block? But I spoke to one of the staff, and it's apparently in the aisle of the dry goods. So it's a box of cheddar, like dry cheddar. So finally got it. Alright, so we're just 2.3 kilometers away from the customer. After this, we're gonna go straight home. I am so hungry. It's not raining much, it's only drizzling. So see ya. So just dropping off our Kohl's shop and deliver order to Lindsay, so it says leave at door, which is a nice house. So I am gonna leave it at door. So I'm gonna leave it here, and then take a photo. Alright, that's it, let's go home. Alright guys, thank you for joining me for the ride this morning through lunchtime. The weather was a bit bad, it was a bit wet and rainy, but it's cool. Managed to get at least $85 from Uber Eats, and I think I got like $16 or $17 from DoorDash. And yeah, so that's good enough for me. Nearly $100 total. That's usually my target if I do a gig delivery shift. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and like, comment and subscribe to the channel. It will be a good day again for the next one. Take care. Bye bye.